Hello buddies and welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can activate the Touch ID to unlock your Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, S8 and S8 Ultra. For this you want to swipe up and go to your settings and then go to lock screen, and right on the top you have screen lock type, and when you click on it you need to enter your current screen lock, and then you have here the option to say Face ID or fingerprints. And when we enable the fingerprints, this will pop up: a quick and easy way to unlock your tablet and verify yourself in apps. Your fingerprint data is secured by Knox, or however you say that. Make sure that you don't use a screen or cover while registering your fingerprint. Thick or colored protective film can affect performance. If you use a screen protector, check to make sure it's labeled as compatible with the on-screen fingerprint sensor. So we click on continue and then start scanning with the center of your fingertip. Press your finger on the sensor, then lift it off when the percentage goes up. So I put my finger there, lift it, and then I'll move it around a bit. Okay, fingerprint added. Add another fingerprint. No, not now. We click on done. And then when we click on it again, so we cannot like name our fingerprint here or add another one, or name it, I don't know. If you go back and lock the tablet and then unlock it again and then click there, put my fingerprint on, so now it's unlocked. Alright, so that's how you add your fingerprint to unlock your Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, S8 and S8 Ultra. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.